is Willie, or William. Willie, that would be you. It's so cold out. Well, I mean, it's not cold. It's like 55 or something like that, maybe 60, but they're not used to that. I kept waiting for the sun to shine. I didn't take pictures yesterday because it was cold, and I just had to do it today. People are expecting updates. Stand up. Do you love your mama? Huh? You love your mama? You crawling on mommy? Stand up and give you a better idea of the size. That is the size of a rug that would be in the bathroom. Hey, baby. Hi. Very friendly little fellow. He'll go and get his shots and his health certificate on Tuesday, and then he'll be ready to go. Oh, he's going potty outside. He's a good boy. Yeah, a very good boy. How cute he is. Are you a good boy that went potty outside? Huh? Yay! Give me 5. Woo! Yes! Yay! They're not trained to go potty outside. It's just a natural thing for them. They're trained to go on a device called Clean Paws. Back up. Oh, now he wants to go explore. You want to go explore? Huh? Is that what you want to do? Huh? You want to come and explore? Yes, you like it outside? All right, we'll go inside though. We gotta go inside. We're cold.